Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can read the weather app on your watch in Heartopia. So somebody did ask about this and I am going to just make a quick video on it. So if you go to your watch, you can click your weather here, like the current weather. And basically here is where you can see there's numbers underneath the weather, and that means that's just a time. To be honest, it's not like the temperature. So right now it is raining, well, snowing from 6 p.m. to 12 p.m. and then it's going to rain again at 6 a.m. 12 p.m. there's going to be a rainbow, and then 18, which is at 6 p.m., clear skies. And that's what it means. And you can also see what weather you're going to get in the future. But yeah, that is how you can read the weather app on your watch in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.